Hey there, welcome to this video where we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Samsung S95C OLED TV. The 77-inch version of this TV has been raved about for a few weeks now, and when the 55-inch version was released, I had to unbox it. Just so that you're aware, I have paid full retail value for this TV, and I'm not being asked to say anything good or bad about it. It's my own TV, and therefore I will tell you exactly how it is. How about a thumbs up and a subscribe for that, right? Let's see what all the fuss is about right after this. Welcome back. Now let's get these bits and pieces out of the box, which are all the bits that nobody really cares about, and then you can get on to the star of the show, which is the TV itself. Now, the first thing I noticed with the weight of this TV is that it's definitely on the heavier side. On the back of the TV, the only connection it has is the One Connect connector, and you've got your area to connect the stand, which is a little bit more interesting this year as it uses the One Connect box. Now the stand feels robust and it feels very sturdy. You know, I'm a massive fan of Samsung stands. I just think that they always look better, and I'm pretty confident that this is going to give us the clearance for a decent soundbar. This stand has a really neat way of clipping into the TV. You have two hooks on each side, one here and one there, and those are going to hook into these cutouts right here on the back of the TV. And you're just going to slide it down like this and then screw it into place. Next, you're going to need these two pieces, and these are the two that were located at the back of the box. I'm going to lift this TV onto the stand myself. I'll show you the thickness in a second, but let's take a look at the One Connect box first. Now, unlike a lot of other TVs, this TV has all of the connections in a separate box with one cable connecting the box to the TV itself. This well-designed box has an air cable input, 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs, 3 USBs, 1 USB-C, an Ethernet connection, and a digital audio out connection, as well as the One Connect cable connector. This is Samsung's latest remote for 2023. This remote is as sleek as ever and has a top-up solar panel on the back similar to past years. One caveat is that this remote no longer has the multi-view button on it, and you have to go into the menu system to access this function. Okay, and it's time to remove the film. This TV is incredibly thin at 0.4 inches. This is not only because it's an OLED TV, but also because all of its connections are in the One Connect box. Its bezels are also very small, and because of that, in my opinion, it really is a rather attractive looking TV. I haven't said this enough, but I am a real fan of this type of stand with the One Connect box. This is the second TV I've bought with it. The stand puts the TV about 3 inches off the ground, which is a big enough space to put a soundbar underneath it. So, what are your thoughts on the look of this TV? Do you think it's better than the ones that you've seen so far? Does it look better than the LG G2 or G3? Let me know in the comments below. This TV runs the latest Tizen software, and the setup process is very good if you use a smartphone. Indeed, it actually installs everything in the background and sets things up while you're going through the instructions. I've found the combination of this Tizen software and the neural processor in this OLED TV to be quite snappy. I'll look more into this during my full review. This is my first OLED TV, and looking at standard definition content, it looks brilliant. Now, if we look at 4K HDR content, let me know in the comments below what you think about the picture. Come on. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this first look has been helpful for you and it gives you an idea of what you can get with this amazing Samsung OLED TV. If it has given you value, please be sure to like the video and subscribe so you can be the first one alerted when the full review of the 55-inch comes out, as well as other reviews that I will do in the future. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.